Are you tired of scrolling through job ads with no luck? What if you could start earning money online from the comfort of your home, starting today? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start working as a virtual assistant, even if you have zero experience. Let's dive in. A virtual assistant, or VA, is someone who helps businesses or entrepreneurs with tasks like email management, scheduling, customer service, and even social media. The best part, you don't need a degree to start, just basic skills, internet, and motivation. Let's talk skills. You don't have to be a tech wizard. Start with communication and writing, organization and time management, basic software tools like Gmail, Google Drive, Zoom, and Excel. Bonus if you know Canva, Notion, or WordPress, but not required. You might think you have nothing to offer, but you do. As a beginner VA, you can start with inbox cleanup data, entry appointment setting, research social media replies. Start small. Grow with time. Mastering tools can set you apart. These are free to use and client favorites. Google, Workspace, Docs, Sheets, Calendar, Trello, or Asana for task management. Canva for simple designs, Zoom and Slack for communication. Don't worry, we'll link tutorials below. Ready to find your first client? Start here. Upwork, Fiverr, onlinejobs.ph. People. Per hour Facebook groups like Virtual Assistant Jobs or Remote Work Hub. Tip. Create a professional profile with a clear headline like Reliable Virtual Assistant for Admin Support. Don't have testimonials, that's fine. Create a sample portfolio using Google Docs with a list of services, screenshots of mock tasks, like a sample email, reply, or calendar schedule, a short bio introducing your skills and tools you use. Show your value, not just your resume. When starting out, keep it reasonable. Many beginners start at $5 to $10 per hour, then increase as they gain reviews and skills. Don't undersell yourself. Clients pay for reliability and results. Craft a pitch that focuses on what they need. Hi, client's name. I noticed you're looking for help with task. I've worked on similar tasks using tool. I'd love to support your business and offer a trial task if needed. Keep it short, confident, and client-focused. Not every job is legit. Avoid offers that ask you to pay up front, sound too good to be true, require crypto wallet verifications. Always research the client and trust your instincts. Great communication equals great reviews. Always. Confirm deadlines, update the client on progress, deliver files in organized folders, ask for feedback and reviews after tasks. Want to make more? Learn in-demand skills like email marketing with MailChimp project management, SEO basics, content scheduling. Take free courses on YouTube, Coursera, or HubSpot Academy. Consistency is key. Set work hours, treat it like a business, and track your earnings. Many VAs go from part-time to full-time within months. Believe in your skills. Download our free VA starter kit below. It includes templates, tools, checklist, job board list, pitch, email examples. Start your journey smarter, not harder. If you're ready to stop searching and start earning, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Drop a comment if you have questions. We reply to everyone. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.